Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 10. Our today's topic, exercise 13.1, example 5. Okay, dear the students, now let us start our today's class. Here the question is written: what is the sum of 30 terms of the series 7 plus 12 plus 17 plus ... Here one series given, we have to find out the sum of its first 30 terms. For finding out sum of the series, we will use this formula: summation of n term equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is the first term of the series, n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. Dear the students, at first we will prove the formula. Then using this formula we will solve this example 5. For proving formula, at first we will consider an arithmetic series whose first term is a, last term is p, common difference is d, number of terms n, and sum of the n terms is sn. Suppose first term of an arithmetic series b a, last term b p, common difference b d, number of terms b n, sum of n terms b sn. Now writing first term to writing from first term to last term, from first to last term, and conversely last to first term, we get, since the sum of the series be Sn, so that we can write Sn equal to first term is a. Now second term, here common difference is b. If we add common difference with first term, then we can get second term. That means second terms will be a plus d. Now third terms, if we add again common difference with second term, then we can get third terms. That means third terms will be a plus d, that is a plus 2d. Plus ... Dear the students, last term of the we have considered that last term of the series is phi. Now the term before last term will be phi minus d. It will be phi less than last term because here common difference is d. That means second last term, this will be phi minus d, and previous term of this terms will be, antecedent of this term will be phi minus d minus d. That means p minus 2d. Again, Sn equal to, here at first we will write phi, then p minus d, then phi minus 2d. Phi plus p minus d plus p minus 2d plus dot 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 plus, now we will write a plus 2d. A plus 2d plus a plus d, and then only a will come. Now we will add these two series. Adding here, if we add Sn with Sn, then it will be 2Sn. 2Sn equal to, here a plus p. A plus p. Here if we add these two terms, then d plus d and minus d will be cancelled, then a plus p will remain. A plus p, here also a plus p will come, plus 2d and minus 2 we can cut, then a plus p will come. Plus dot 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 plus, here minus 2d and plus 2 will be cancelled, then a plus p will come. Here also we will get a plus p, and here a plus p also will come. Now the question is, here a plus p, 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 a plus p. Question is, how many a plus p exist here? Here dot dot sign exists, so that we cannot easily say. Dear the students, we have considered that number of terms be n. That means in this series total number of terms n, and in this series also total number of terms be n. Since adding two series taking from two series, we get one term, so that in obtained series total number of terms also will be n. That means we can say that here number of terms will be n. That means n number of a plus p exist in this series, so that instead of a plus p plus a plus p plus a plus p dot 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 a plus p plus a plus p plus dot dot a plus p, we can write n into a plus p, because you know that multiplication is the short process of addition. So that we will write here, or 2Sn equal to n into a plus p, since n number of terms exist in this series. Now, or Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus p. Now this is equal to n by 2 into a plus, here we will give second bracket, a plus n by 2 into a plus. Instead of phi, what can we write? In our previous class we have learned nth term, formula of nth term equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here total number of terms be n, and last term is phi, so nth term will be phi. Again I am telling, we have considered last term of the series is p and total number of term is n, so that we can say nth term will be phi. So Instead of p, we can consider it is nth term, and formula of nth term equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So that instead of p, we can write a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. And this is equal to, and finally we can write Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is our formula. Dear students, we have proved our formula. Now using this formula, we will solve one problem. Solution. Here first term of the series A. All time we will denote first term of the series by A, and A equal to here 7. Here first term is 7. Common difference will denote common difference by D, and it will be 12 minus 7. Common difference will be 12 minus 7, that means 5. 12 minus 7, this is equal to 5. Number of terms, you have to find out the sum of first 30 terms. So number of term n equal to 30. Number of terms n equal to 30. Now we will write the formula. We know sum of first nth term equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we will put the value of a and d in this formula. Therefore, sum of first 13th term of the given series. Sum of first 13th term of given series S30 equal to, it will be 30 by 2 into 2 into first term here 7, 2a plus n minus 1, that means 30 minus 1 into d, d means 5. 30 divided by 2, this is 15. Now 2 7s are 14 plus 30 minus 1, that is 29, and if we multiply 29 by 5, then 5 9s are 45. From 45 we will write 5, carrying 4. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 4 equal to 14, that means 145. 145. 15 multiplication, if we add 14 with 45, then it will be 159. Now we have to multiply 15 by 159, and it will be 2385. 2385. Dear students, this is the answer of today's problem. Okay, dear students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. You have to practice more and more at home. Now I am giving you SW. Dear students, our today's lecture number was 2 number lecture, and our today's SW number also 2. Topic is exercise 13.1 example 5. We have already solved example 5 in this class. So, do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.